Good day and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making pizza pockets using Pillsbury crescent rolls, 16 slices of pepperoni, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/3 of a cup of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. Now we'll take and open our container of Pillsbury crescent rolls. We're going to use this for our dough for the pizza pocket. We've opened our crescent dough, our Pillsbury crescent dough. We're going to flour our work surface. We'll lay our dough out on it. Going to separate it into 4 pieces. Now we have them separated into 4 pieces. This is an 8 crescent in a roll. We're going to be using 2 crescents pieces to make 1 pizza pocket. We're going to take our rolling pin and roll the 2 pieces to a 5 by 7 inch rectangle very gently. Once we've done that, you may have to stretch it just a little bit by hand to get your preferred rectangle. We will put our tomato sauce and our 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese together. We will mix to combine. Now once that's done, we'll take and put 4 slices of pepperoni, 1 inch in from the end. 4 slices of pepperoni. We'll take and put some of our shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the pepperoni. Take and fold over our pizza pocket, press to seal. Here we have a baking sheet. I lined it with parchment paper, but you can just use to make easy cleanup. If you don't have parchment paper, a non-stick baking sheet will work just as nicely. That's what this is, but I put parchment paper on it to make easy cleanup. We will place our pizza pocket on our baking sheet. And we'll do another one. Make sure that we have a floured surface. Place our... We'll take and roll this one out to a 5 by 7 rectangle, rolling it very gently. Do the same thing as the other one. Put 4 slices of pepperoni, about 1 inch in from the end. Put our tomato sauce and shredded mozzarella on top. If it gets a little tear, just pinch it together and it'll be fine. Now we'll just fold this over, press it, seal the edges. We have our oven preheating to 375 degrees. And we'll just keep completing the same process on the other 2. Be back when that's done. Okay, we've made our 4 pizza pockets. Now when you're forming them, if the seams where the 2 crescent rolls come together start to separate, just pinch them together and they'll be fine. Now to finish it, we have our 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, which we're going to take and sprinkle over the top of our pizza pockets. That's why it's so easy, much better if you do this on parchment paper. It makes cleanup so much easier. But if you don't have it, and you just have your non-stick cookie sheet, baking sheet, whatever you want to call it, you can do it that way too. It's not that big a problem to clean it up. Every little step that you can avoid makes life a little easier. Okay, now we've sprinkled it with our grated Parmesan cheese. Now this will go into a 375 degree oven, preheated oven, for 12 minutes or until golden brown. Back in 12 minutes or until they're golden brown. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. They're browning nicely. They're just about done. There goes the timer. I set it 2 minutes earlier. We'll let it go for the additional 2 minutes to make it the full 12. Okay, they're out of the oven. They're nice and golden. We'll let them cool for about 5 minutes. Then I'll plate them up and I'll be right back. They look very nice, nicely golden brown. Gonna make a really good pizza pocket. And here's our pepperoni with grated shredded mozzarella cheese, topped with grated Parmesan cheese, our pepperoni pizza pockets. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll know whenever I put up new content. I hope you enjoyed this video, And this should make a nice snack or even a dinner. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.